How to identify if your car has ISOFIX latch. Some seats can be installed using either the seatbelt or the ISOFIX latch system. You can use one or the other, but not both. To know if your car has the ISOFIX latch system, you need to look for the anchors in the crease of the back seats. These are usually positioned on either side of each outer back seat. Your car may have a little plastic dot or a small flag on the upholstery of the back seat. These indicate that your car has ISOFIX latch. If your car doesn't have this system, simply install your child restraint using the car's seatbelt. If you're unsure, refer to your vehicle instruction manual. Check your seat's instruction manual to check you are installing the seat correctly, and if you need further help, make contact with a child restraint technician.